another My Jeep video. Thanks for watching.
Hey, Billy Bob. Yeah, Marvin. What the hell you doing today, boy? I don't know, kind of listen to this old engine, and it's making lots of noise. I hope it don't blow up. What the hell you gonna do if it does blow up? Hey, Marvin, I'm gonna run like hell. Well, aren't you supposed to do that before it blows up, dummy? Hell, Billy, them damn needles are going crazy, boy. If I knew, I'd get the hell out of here. What the hell was that? Oh, that might have been Leroy working on his latest project down the road there. Oh, yeah, that new moonshine formula he was talking about. Yeah, that's the one. Damn, you got too many damn mosquitoes around here, boy. Don't worry, I'll take care of them. There you go, Billy. They won't bother you no more. Hey, you got a few holes in your wall and roof. Where'd they come from? Damn, Billy, that damn needle's going crazy again, boy. What the hell? Hell, I think it's time to go get a beer. Hell, it's getting boring. He can do something else, boy. What in the hell is... Hey, Billy, what you mean malfunction here, boy? Did you lose something, or you just plain stupid?
For Sunday morning, February 27th. And it's about 8:30 in the morning.
Hey, Billy, won't you let me take over?
I've got a lot done over the last few months. New radiator, condenser. I put in a new AC system, including lines and other components. I put in new fuel injectors and new heat shields. Again, an all aluminum radiator and condenser. I have the neck plugged for now, and I had to order a new connector. I did some testing of the fuses and systems and my battery. I eventually had to replace this battery. I could not get it to keep a charge, and it was pretty old. The alternator's still putting out well, but I probably will change it out in the near future. All the fuses and modules checked out. I switched some of the relays around, different positions of the same voltage and amp, and they seem to be working fine. I will be installing new battery clamps. These are pretty worn out. I'll be purchasing a new grill to install. And see y'all on the next My Jeep update.